Vishal V Sharma nongkit kitin jokari India sha UNESCO ulai ke jing batai bnia ya ke Jingkieng juri hakani ke jala Meghalaya sha ularaze asomo elodo ubadai director jong ka UNESCO ubadai pet ya ke jing pensanam bakarpang ha ka prathai lani ka World Heritage ban penrung ha ka thup ka badai jong mentau snem arjar arpriu arphnyau ban bishar bnia Unong ai kitin jo kari India ulapan pau kecing sngongu yo menteri ramba adu kari India Narendra Modi menteri bapene pensa Riti Dustur uga Jendra Singh Shekhawat ya menteri ramba kajela kurat sangma ya ka kanun wat benia jok sarkar pedeng kai ESI bad ya katanat kambari jok sarkar pedeng bad kumjuru ikipaj ba kibala pene pensa ya ka Jingkieng jri ka jinglej ben ai ka jing batai benia ya kini ka Jingkieng jri kibadon ha kari khasi jantia kala krensha ye ke jingdon yela ke jong kariti ke dustur lene ka krensha ye ke jingedei ke bajan hapadeng kibri ubat kami maryang ke jinglong bakan zaman sim bat ke jinglong tenrai bak ke jing yai yajan bat kami ramau kani ke jingla ban ai ya kani ke jing batai benia ka krensha bak sarkar bedeng kadakwa ban pene pensa ya kiriti ke dustur ya kini ke ek bala pene pensa bat kamaryang namar kini kedai ka Riti Dustur ka badang im bat ya kini kala don kam ban pendek pensa lengba ka UNESCO.
Friends, it is my privilege and honor to share with you the wonderful news that the Jingkieng Dri, the living root bridges of Meghalaya, are being nominated by India for the 2026-27 cycle for possible inscription as a World Heritage Site in the 49th Committee meeting in 2027. As India's ambassador and permanent representative to UNESCO, I thank Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Culture Minister, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, officers of the Archaeological Survey of India, of the Ministry of External Affairs, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad Sangma, Principal Secretary, Shri Frederic Kar Kongor, officers of the Government of Meghalaya, experts, and the local communities guarding this incredible cultural heritage of humanity for this historic nomination. I extend my warm greetings to the people of Meghalaya, and I assure you that we will leave no stone unturned in all our efforts to obtain this well-deserved recognition to the Jingkieng Dri of Meghalaya. I'll speak a line in the Khasi language. Naka liang jong ga kum u ambassador na India Shakha UNESCO ga e kublai kripang eki nongshong shong ka jiala Meghalaya bad naka liang jong gi gim priang baro ki lat ki linti ban piono ka katai ka jingi tu ba kripang naka binta ki Jingkieng Dri living root bridges kiba don haka jiala Meghalaya kublai mithila. Thank you and Bharat Mata ki jai. Thank you.
Thank you, Ambassador. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.